Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a moving average on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to cTrader and go to this icon right here, this F. Okay, click on it, and you will see here this search bar. Type moving average. Moving average. Then you can choose the type of moving average you want. So for me, I want a simple moving average. This one. Click on it. And for the period, you can choose anything you want. So for me, I will choose, for example, the 50. Okay. And we have here the type of the line here. And we have here the thickness of the line. Okay. I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.